No, I didn't use the box. Okay. Alright, good. Like I said, I'm not really into jewelry, so I didn't know, Alright, babe. Alright. Talk to you later. Alright. Love you too.